Hey everyone! Just after some of you saw the video of Dan being here, Dan Spiffy Newman, of course, was here a few days ago and came to see the shop again. And last I had the Hunter 1886 Verde here and Butterfly Industrial, and I decided that because he gave me these to borrow as well, that I would try hanging these two and see how these do. Over here, I still have the Beckwith down over the drums, and I still have the blender fan over my workbench. I'm probably going to do something else soon, but I'll let you know when I decide to. But for now, I changed these two. Here I have the 5-blade Fasco Charleston 3rd generation in white and brass. And over here, what perceives to be a gold line is actually just, let me see if I can get it over the blade there, just a Union Industrial. It's actually the same. I got one as well back there. If you could see, if I can step over all the clutter I made with the fans. Let's see if I can turn it there. There's another Union, but you can see that's got the other shape of motor, similar to a Safer or like a Newtone shape. So this is the other Union shape, the pointy with the gold stripe, and I decided to hang this one. Dan got these in Minneapolis, so I kept it on the same control. It's an 81220, and this one I just plugged in and used the long string pull chain, because I might need the remote at home for a fan I'm about to install. So it's set to low, and it's on this switch here. Turn that on, and then I'm going to turn this one on. 3-speed. This one's got a nice slow low. This one's going to be a little faster once it speeds up. It's an industrial. I run that on an 81220, but still. This is definitely of the gold line. This is my childhood fan, even though this is actually purely a Union and not an Enviro fan or Banville. The stripe is actually silver versus being gold on a Union, so that's one other difference. Here's the Fasco on slow. All right. I'm going to go ahead and bump the Union up a notch. Okay, this is low medium. I'll just go ahead and bump the Charleston up to medium. This is a good, perfect low medium. Exactly what I like in a low medium. And they're kind of almost at the same speed. Might hear some bearing noise on the Fasco, so I might have to look into that. In the meantime, I'm going to speed up the not the gold line, the Union, to high medium, which is a backed off high. Which is like Dan's organ shop. The gold lines down in, or the Unions down in the garage part of his organ shop, only go this fast on high. So, but this one draws 0.9, so this one actually goes quite faster. So I'm going to bring them both to high. Okay, this one's going to go to high. This one gives a lot of air on high with a K55 type motor. And I'm going to bring the other one to high. Oh yeah, I mean this is equivalent to gold line, easily gold line. See what it does. Might too. All right, I'm gonna step back, doing both. Yeah, all right. It's gonna be a little impossible, but I'm gonna try to see if I can prop the camera somewhere so I can do spin down with them. See. All right. Let's see if I can get. Just loves to slide around. I can't really get them in the pit. This is just, maybe if I did this, get them both in. Maybe I'll have to go over here. Just wants to slip and slide. Okay. Good enough. Time for spin down. Okay. I gave the Fasco a slight head start. Let's see, I think Fasco's going to stop first. Betting on Fasco. Even when I probably should have given the gold line a head start. I went quickly over to the switch. That's gonna. Yep, Fasco's definitely stopping first. Oh yeah, still got the Union Industrial going. Okay, well, that's both the Fasco Charleston 5-blade 3rd generation and the Union Industrial. And so that's all I have for both of these fans, and I'll see you next time with more fans. Thanks for watching.